This is Anthony Wise for MathLogic 5154. This video is for the questions and answers portion of the assignment for languages, theories, models, and recursion. So I had two questions. The first one is, for a recursive to hold, do you only need an operation over a sequence set? I took a number theory class. It's been a year and a half, 2 years. No, it's been longer than that. It's probably been 3 years. And I know just to say a set that you're working with does not necessarily mean it's a sequenced set, and you have to specify that. And a recursion only works if you're going from one object to the next object in the set. So you would need a sequence set and for it to be repeatable. But you also need that recursion to happen over a set operation. So do you only need those two? That's my question, because I can't really think of anything else you would need in order for that to work. But I just don't know. I'm still a little bit foggy about that. And then my second question is, just to clarify, when we are looking from a model perspective, talking about models, about developing models, we are specifically viewing and accepting the relational structure. That's kind of like, that's what's implied, that's what we're first seeing, and then we are validating a language from it. That's my question. Do you start, I mean, in models and ultra products, basically it says that in chapter 3 they started with a predicate calculus, language L, and then you saw what the relational structure it had after you determined what predicate calculus you had. But when transferring over into chapter 4, it's basically saying that you're looking at it from the different perspective, right? And from the model perspective, and you're saying that the structure is actually what presents itself first mathematically, in the usual sense of how you solve this, and so, or proof this out. So that would mean that that once you see the structure, then you're seeking out the language, whether that's a predicate calculus or whatever, that goes along with that structure, and then the directions that come after that. So you're assuming a structure, and then you're moving forward from that, instead of assuming a language and seeing what the structure is. So that's just a point to clarify. That's all I have for this. Thanks.